tiró el dron, le tiró, ¿eh? Sí. Hostia.
Okay, guys, so here's what I was thinking here. The boat stopped with the helicopter and right this whole boat is exploding. This wall of flaming.
Yasmin here. The family boat has been officially attacked. A drone came right above it, released a bomb, and it exploded, and the boat was on fire. Everyone on that boat is okay. The fire is out. But I want to tell you that this boat was the boat that every person from the Madeleine, the old Madeleine crew, was on, which is Greta, me, Tiago, Schweib, and so many more amazing people. They have bombed a boat once again with civilians on it in Tunisian territory. This is an attack against Gaza because they don't want us there. So we need you to mobilize.
رح نبوط عمل كثير